Welcome back, all the way back. So back here in the garden, I don't know, the season is almost coming to an end, but not quite. And so we do have a few things that's now coming to surface, the peppers. And so we have big peppers, we have the mini peppers, the mini color peppers. And with the mini color peppers, you all, they're starting to turn colors. And so I want you all to see these peppers, how they are already turning color. So basically, once the peppers get to a certain size and you say, okay, they are green, they are ready to be picked, if you leave them on for 30 more days, approximately 30 more days, that's when they'll develop their true color, if indeed they are a color pepper, right? And so let's take a look at it. I already got, you know who in the background waiting, so let's go take a look. First off, I do want to acknowledge these yellow tomatoes. Something's eating up the kale? Yeah. There it is again.
They done ate the kale up.
They got us. You are right.
You got my shadow.
Oh. They got us, y'all. They got us. All the kale. Look at that. Nothing but skeleton. Yeah. Well, we did get some kale out of it. It's still growing. Deep down in there. It didn't get it all, but we did got a nice amount out. But that's neither here nor there. We got some more RIPs in the cucumbers. Let's take a look. Now look at this. RIP to this one. We dropped this in the compost bin. Yeah, look at all these cucumber vines. So once it gets to its final stage, it just dry up. It's okay. It's natural. Let's see what else we got back here. All of these. Lemon cucumbers? Right where? What, is RIP? So I came out yesterday and got a green one. But I want to... can you open up this recycle bin? Because that's my compost on this end of the garden. I want to drop these up in there. Yeah, you can throw your banana peel in there too if you want. See how good? Angle off. You all don't put me on the basketball team. And if so, put me on the opposing team if you want to win. All right, so got these. I'll come and grab that. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Any other ones? I'm gonna come and clean this up, get an early start, because I don't think these are gonna produce anything else, these green ones. I don't think they're gonna produce anything else, thank you. Starting to look compost bin. But this is what we're here for. Take a look. So we got a ton of peppers. Boom, green pepper. Boom, green pepper. This one is about to turn a color, but something has shaved that off. Let's see. Got a few little green bell peppers here. Got bell peppers here. None of these got staked up, which they should have. But I don't know if you noticed, but there's an orange one right there. And so this is the small. So all of these are actually going to turn. This whole plant, all of these little peppers are the color peppers. And when they start to get dark like that, you know, they're about to start turning colors. So let's go ahead and grab this. And this is when they are at its sweetest. Hold this real quick for me, please. And let's go down. See, I took all of the leaves off of these watermelon, so all of the energy could push into the one melon. But I think that was a mistake because it needs the leaf in order to soak up the sun. Ooh, I bet you these are gonna be sweet. We're gonna go wash these and eat these now. So all of these peppers on this side, they're red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers. But that's what these are, all in front. In the other half of the garden in Crate City, that's where we have our regular big bell peppers. These jokers right here are super good as well. These are like the bell tomatoes. I just made that up though. But we're gonna clean these and throw these in our mouths as well. Right, fresh from the garden. Yep. Yep. So nothing major, just early in the day. Just wanted to kind of get out here before that sun comes around. Just to check out the garden. Okay, let's see. So we ate some of these earlier in the year, and they were good. But those red ones, baby, let me tell you, those red ones were super, super sweet. Those red ones were super sweet. And so these, they were good, but they didn't have a sweetness to it like those red ones. But yeah, this is what we got today. So thank you all for tuning in for just a quick update. Look like yellow and orange is the color of the day. And we're going to take a look at those carrots here short. Look at these carrots, you all. Now, you see these two brackets right here? This is my baby right here. So anybody that come over can pull whatever you want from the garden. But I'm curious to see how this one right here turns out. But look at all these cucumbers. And you could tell, yeah, I know we should have thinned these out. But we're just so excited that all of these little nubs. These are all little little nubs. But you know, hey, it is what it is. Got a few over there on that side. All of those are carrots. Look at these right here. We have some color carrots as well. But this is our first time even getting this amount. Even if they are little nubs. These are for Coco anyway. Coco likes these carrots. These little babies. KOKO the Yorkie. Want to come say hi to the people? Yeah, you want a carrot? She be acting funny on these carrots lately. Let me give her a nub or two. KOKO, here. Let's see what she do. KOKO the Yorkie, here's a carrot. She like, no, let's see. I break it so she can smell it. You want it? Here. She like, no. Here, KOKO. KOKO. Look, she rather eat the weeds. For real? Yeah. KOKO, right here. She trying to find out what is that noise. It's okay. Here. It's right here. Here, let's go. Here, get this, get this. Here, take this up there. There you go. Get it. She rather for me to hold it while she examine it. All right, let's go here. Yeah. She like these green tops too. Look, she want the green tops. And sometimes we could take these and put it in the carrots. I'm not gonna hold this while you eat. Here, you take it. Here. I'm not gonna go back. Come on, get it. Let's go. So you're just gonna drop it. Here. Sometimes if I break it open, she can smell it. Here. I don't want to hold it while you eat it. I want you to take it. You need your eyes cleaned out too. Here. Take it. Come on, let's go. No, you gotta take it with you. Here. You know what I'm excited for more than anything? I'm excited about like the prep for the new season. Every single time a season is over, you kind of like reevaluate how the process went, and if there's anything that you'll kind of like change or do over or do differently, or what worked well in one area, or should this be moved or kept. And so I'm always excited about that. It smells like mint over here. Where's this mint at that I keep smelling? But that's what I'm kind of more excited about than anything. Cole, you want a bean? This is a bean, Cole. This is a string bean. You used to eat these last year. Here. I'm gonna open it up here. Here, right here. Cole. See if she eat these. Here, right there. I don't know if she don't eat that. Here, I'll get it for you. There you go. Funny acting self. Now, had that been a carrot or had that been bell pepper, she would have got that thing before I can even like get it out my hand. So anyway, nonetheless, let's see what we got back here. Back here, I see a few. So I'll go and I'll clean these up real good. Not sure if, I guess these little ones will start growing. I got a little bit, look at this is dry. So these right here is what you can do once they get to this point. You can pop these open, and these are the ones that you can plant next year once they get dry like that. So I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna try it out. Let's see what we have over here. Sorry, you all. Get all of these. Again, go in, clean all these up. Again, so these are pole beans? These are stringless green beans. Ooh, look at all of these. These are stringless beans. And so these are better than those pole beans that we had. The pole beans grew like crazy. They grew up the fence, but it was so hard to get the string out. And although we took the string out, there obviously were additional strings beyond the strings that we didn't even see. And so I think that's what kind of made it difficult to eat. They were super good. There was some good smoke flavor in there. Them things were so good. Yeah, I'm gonna take these. These are the ones that I'm gonna have. And we're gonna dry these out right here. Albino beans. We're gonna dry those out. Let's see what else we have in between here. Cole, get them over there. Cole always be into something. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick all of these, and the ones that's not green, I'm gonna use those. Okay, I think I got them all, you all. I think I got them all. But yeah, these right here, we got a ton of these. Come on. Here's a hint. What is this? What does this look like? You got a tree with these. I got 2 buckets full of these. So if I throw this, I know you're gonna go get it. These are zinnias. All right, this is what we got. We are going to take these beans, string beans, go ahead and saute them up. Yep. Cole, anything you want to say to the camera? Check it out. Just check it out. You know, it's good to check it out. Here's your string bean right here, though. You want to give it a try? What about this? Look, look, look. Hold on. Look, what about this bean right here? You licked it? That's what you're doing? Yeah. All right, you all. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time.
I'm breathing through punches. My greatness improving. Let's do it.